My two sons love
Oh yeah.
Goodfellas product.
I heard the
You can get it
body wash is good too, Diamond.
at Target on sale. They got amazing good stuff
Okay.
for men, new
Ooh.
men's
Yo, they got shampoo and body wash.
hair and body wash and shaving. My two sons want to franchise the Goodfellow Company,
Yeah.
men grooming, and have it set up
This Diamond.
in Atlanta near the town center so men can have a place where they can go all in one stop to get high-end quality men's care for cheap and reasonable. So yeah, Goodfellas, new generation of men's care line, and we want to bring it to Atlanta and franchise it because my two sons are my favorite Goodfellas.